Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 371. I was at my favorite camera store today. That's right, YM Camera. And look what I picked up while I was there. This is the Godox V862 for Nikon, a flash that I am going to test out this weekend at a wedding. At a very special wedding, because Robbie is getting married this weekend. Isn't that super exciting? Okay, so since I have laid my hands on the ProPhoto A1, this was last year, I still love the ProPhoto A1. It comes in at $1,000, and when I did several of my review videos on YouTube, a lot of people were saying, where is Godox? You have to try Godox. Don't they have Godox? So YM carries Godox. Yes, they have them, and I brought them home today so I could do this unboxing and start to play with this flash this weekend and see how I like it. Okay, so the ProPhoto A1, as I just mentioned, comes in at around $1,000. I use a pair of Nikon SB900s. I think I probably paid around $500 a piece for those. Nikon no longer sells them. Instead, they have the SB5000, and it is $599, so just under $600. Last year, I tested the ProMaster 200 SL for Nikon. That comes in at $279, and the Godox V862 comes in at $179. So I have had the privilege of testing all of these speed lights that really span the range in terms of pricing, so I could give you my honest feedback and opinion as to what works, what doesn't, what you might need, when do you need to spend the money, when can you save some money. Well, we're going to check it out. So we are going to unbox together this Godox V860. There it is. It says it's pioneering the TTL lithium-ion camera flash. Now this is very interesting. This flash runs off of a rechargeable battery, as does the A1, and I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about that. Okay, let me say this. I love lithium-ion batteries. I love being able to recharge my batteries because double A's, I have so many double A's. I have gone through so many. I have spent a tremendous amount of money on batteries over the past 15 years, so I love lithium-ion batteries. I just wasn't sure how it was going to work at a wedding in terms of battery life, what that would look like. Well, I loved it. The rechargeable battery on the A1 was amazing. It lasted me an entire wedding, and I was so surprised, pleasantly surprised. So I'm very happy to see that this flash also has the lithium-ion battery, because that saves me money in terms of double A's. Okay, so that was good news. Here we go. Let's see what this looks like. I assume it's gonna look like other speed lights. So far, so good. There we have it. There we have the controls in the back, look very similar. Obviously, I don't have the battery charged. I need to do that. I don't have that done yet. But I will be reporting back on all of this because while I was at YM, I also picked up this Godox trigger. So this is the X1 TTL wireless flash trigger for Nikon, and I am going to use this along with this at Robbie's wedding this weekend because I am not the hired professional photographer, which is great because that means I get to enjoy the wedding, I get to dance, and I get to play with new camera gear, which is super fun. So I'm going to try this on camera as well as off camera and see how it works. I am assuming that is radio trigger. Yes, I am assuming that. I'm sure that it is. Okay, so that's very exciting. This says that it supports high-speed sync, which is good. I wonder if it's automatic or if you have to turn it on. And it has the professional lithium battery system. That's interesting. I wonder what an amateur lithium battery system is. I'm not sure. But also, while I was there, Robbie said, here, why don't you take this AD200. This pocket flash comes in at $299. It's very heavy. You guys, I don't even know what this is or how to use it. It's so funny. It's just not something I've had any experience with. I guess that's good. I like to try new things and put it on my camera and just see how it goes. The AD200. Anybody use this? Anybody know how to use what this is about? Pocket flash. I'm not even sure what that means. Oh, I see a diagram. Okay, all right, you use the trigger. It's a diagram. You use the trigger and you have this somewhere as your slave. Got it. Okay, I can do that. Maybe I should take this to the wedding as well, although that's more gear to manage. I wonder, I'll learn, whoa, this is official. I wonder what the differences are, I'm about to find out, between the speed light and this pocket flash. I feel like the word pocket flash does not accurately represent what this is, because if I hear the word pocket flash, I'm thinking it's something small or lightweight or simple, and this might be all of those things, but it looks kind of high-tech to me, and the bag is very heavy. I mean, when is the last time you've used something like this? Look at that. I had better not drop it. It also looks to have lithium-ion battery. That's good. Rechargeable. There are several. That's the charger. There are several things in here. Whoa. Let me set that down. This is the unit. Pocket flash, you say, huh? Do you? Okay, it has a mount. I was just looking to see if it had a mount, because there's some device in here that makes it look like I can mount it. Obviously, you would need to mount it. What are you gonna do? Just lay it somewhere? I don't know, maybe. Okay, we have a mount. AD200. Somebody using this want to point me to a tutorial. I will figure it out. Okay, so if flash head gets hot, there's this. But we're doing some bare bulb flash. Okay, I wonder how far it reaches. I wonder how that will do at a reception. I'm just gonna unlock this battery. Wow, I'm gonna need some lessons from my friends at YM Camera on the AD200 from Godox. I don't know how to say it, but okay, that's neither here nor there. I am gonna play with this flash this weekend. I know how to use this. This is right up my alley. I'm very excited about this. So what I'm going to do is use this at the wedding, and then I'm going to talk about it in comparison for reception against the ProPhoto A1, my SB900s, my old Canon 580 EX2s, as well as the ProMaster 200 SL, and maybe I'll talk about which one I like the best, which one I think you need. Do you need to spend the money? Can you save your money? If you have any questions on flash, whether that's on or off camera, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.